Social media influencer Lexi D Bess among 3 killed in Trelawny crash.
Teach them! Always make sure the message I reach them!
The police have confirmed that social media influencer, 20-year-old Lexian Williams, was among 3 people killed in a motor vehicle crash along the North Coast Highway in Spring Hill, Trelawny. Williams, more commonly known as Lexi D Bess, was being transported by 25-year-old Kenroy Smith of Hague in the parish when the Toyota Mark X motorcar in which they were traveling crashed into a Toyota Voxy. Reports indicate that Williams, who is from Rearbuena in Trelawny, had just been picked up by Smith. They were reportedly en route to an event called Cookout Vibes in Rearbuena Square. The driver of the Voxy, 30-year-old Chris Codner of Exchange in St. Anne, also died. 3 people who were occupants of the Voxy have been hospitalized. More than 100 people have died in traffic crashes since the start of the year.
Teach them! Hey yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Like the video before you go. Please subscribe if you haven't done so. And remember to share the video with your friends and family. And browse the channel for more quality content. Until next time, walk good, my friends.
Teach them!